Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. This altcoin completely ignored Bitcoin and it is going massively higher. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can cancel anytime you like, do not worry about that, but you will get the best trading system out there. Especially, you will know what the market will be doing every single time. Let's go right now to see Loka against USDT chart. So what I'm going to do with Loka is, first of all, let's see a little bit the daily frame. You can see that we pumped a plus 52%, ignoring for sure Bitcoin and what it did. Of course, we had a correction for every single altcoin almost, okay, and for BTC, but Loka, okay, had a very nice pump. Right now, though, we want to see if this will continue or not. Let's see a little bit the weekly scale and let's throw our fib from the top to the bottom. It is the first time that we ignored completely the 20-day exponential moving average after so long. Look at that right here. We had, of course, on Monday, 17 January, the huge pump, and then we corrected as usual. Now, can it go even higher, or is this going to be it? So we have the 0.83 and the 1.19. You need to be careful out of those two resistance levels. And why I'm saying the 0.83? You will ask me, Bill, of course, we are above it. Okay, why do you have it as a resistance level? And the answer is very simple, because we haven't closed above yet. We are above right now, we have crossed the line, but in the daily scale, we haven't closed above. Of course, we have a risk in the 4-hour frame over 90. The RSI is at 90. Whenever you see that, you should be exiting the market, no matter if you think that we are going to go even higher, no matter if you think that we are going to go and explode. Right now, we have a triple bearish RSI divergence into the RSI 1-hour frame. Could this be a very nice falling wedge pattern in the 1-hour frame? It could be the case, but right now, seeing the 4-hour frame, it looks like we are going to have more correction. Okay, so what is going to happen, Bill? What can we do? The best thing that we can do for now, it would be simply amazing, but we can do it. It is to go to the 1.18 if we close above in the daily frame the 0.83. If we do that, then yes, Loka is going to go massively towards these targets right here. Okay, so 1.18 to 1.19. However, if we cannot manage to close above the 0.83, then of course Loka is going to have a massive correction towards the 0.68 again. All right, so this is why I'm telling you to be careful. After all, in the daily frame we have a very high risk as well, 86 with the RSI, and of course when we have this, when we see that, we need to be extremely careful as well as of the price. Okay, so 1.18 to 1.19, 0.83 USDT is the resistance level that we care about, not in the 4-hour frame because we're already closed above, but in the daily frame. Once we do that, then it is very easy to pump another plus 30% of where we are right now, or if we close slightly above the 0.83 to 0.8246 around there, then things are going to look good. For 53% is the maximum profit that you can get. Once we get though here, you need to exit. Okay, so it depends, hugely depends upon if we are going to have a very nice pump into the 1.18, or from here we are going to correct down from the 0.83, and then the next support levels are going to be a little bit disastrous, I would say. You know, we are going to have a good correction coming in from Loka, and the first support level that it is going to get to is the 0.7365, followed by the 0.60. Okay, around there we are going to have the first support levels if we cannot close above the price target that we mentioned before into the daily scale. I would prefer if you will be careful a little bit about whether you want to buy or not. I know that it is very good, it is looking great right now. Yeah, I know that it looks like it has a very nice huge buying pressure coming in, good volume right here, but you can see the decline of the volume as well. Once we go higher, we have an volume divergence, bearish divergence, I would say, with the lower high system right there and we go higher, that means that buyers are stepping slightly out a little bit despite the fact that we have good volume. Okay, you need to be a little bit careful in the short term, so you need to wait for the day as well. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription Patreon /Mind Your Crypto. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.